A known gang member in court today answering to charges of attempted murder of a sheriff's deputy in Coachella. Now, you may recall the attempted murder happened on May 25th as a deputy tried to pull over a vehicle that sped off, and ultimately the driver ran off. When the officer chased him, the suspect turned and shot the deputy 6 times. The officer is recovering and out of the hospital, but then a manhunt that stretched over state and international borders. Finally, the arrest last week of 27-year-old Gildardo Davila in Mexicali, Mexico. Now, Davila entered a not guilty plea today. His attorney said he denies all charges against him. Shortly after that, Davila's public defender said that his office had a conflict of interest and would not be able to represent Davila. He will be appointed a private attorney paid for by Riverside County. Davila's bail has been set at $5 million. We also heard from Davila's family today. His girlfriend, his aunt, and cousins and friends were all in the courtroom. They say Davila's mother and father left him when he was an infant and that he turned to gangs to feel a sense of belonging.
I don't know what people do when they're on the street. If they say he's a gang member or whatever, but I just think he was just looking for acceptance, and maybe that's why he chose that road.
He's got some other cases that involve some other crimes that have been alleged to have occurred, but in this particular case he's charged with attempted murder of a police officer. So he's looking at about 45 years to life in this particular matter.
Another twist in today's arraignment, Davila was supposed to make a court appearance this afternoon related to his role as a witness in the upcoming murder trial of Thomas Gonzalez and Conrad Diaz, both of whom are accused of shooting and killing 18-year-old Jose Zaragoza. Davila's exact role in the case is not clear, but Gonzalez and Diaz are facing life without the possibility of parole if they're convicted. The conflict panel representing Davila requested that his appearance for that case be moved to a later date, and they were granted that request.
Well,